Never gotta roll with ice. No rush, go on, move dumb. Pushing for move dumb. Peace and love turn to peace and gloves. Now you gotta do a run up. Generations caught up. Look how things will switch.
Alright.
They wanna move at the bits.
Thank
Boy,
you
when it's
sa
over,
mga
bitch, nah. Unless
Thank you
you
sa
let
mga
go.
nakasubaybay natin dyan. Next game natin, quarterfinals. It's between Abu Dhabi versus Abu Dhabi. Ito yung One Trading versus Pusong Pinoy, Chef E. Grabe tong laban na to. Sino kaya ang a-advance sa semifinals? Ang bigat na mga kaganapan here. Hindi natin ina-expect both Abu Dhabis will fight with each other on this game. Dahil yan sa ating rankings. So ngayon, samahan nyo ako. All of the viewers natin dyan, malalaman na natin kung sino ang a-advance. First five for both teams sa Pusong Pinoy. We have Salazar, Mallorca, Calara, Samson, and Marquez. Dito naman sa One Trading Coho, Bong, Jojo Manalo, si Tan, and Uy. Yan ang mga maglalaban sa ating starting five. Sino kaya magkakaroon ng advantage dito? Malalaman natin sa ilang saglit. Pero bago yan, I would like to thank all our sponsors. Let's start with Basketball Gears, Zamic Events, Soul Savvy, syempre, Boss J Garage, Wetsky, House of Iritea V, SMK, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Rigorair 361, and syempre, Flashback Clothing. So kung mga maghahanap kayo ng mga quality shirt, syempre, Flashback Clothing na. I-follow nyo yung page namin, like nyo na rin, share nyo na rin itong live na to para mapanood ng mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pilipinas and all the kababayans we have here in the UAE. We'll be back in a few para naman sa ating mga susunod na kaganapan. This is a tour that game between the both teams. Konting recap lang.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamic
Both teams
Events,
are in the
Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring,
So this is a must
Boss
for
J,
Coach Jello and Coach Jerick
Flashback
Sardinia.
Clothing,
So what are the
King
adjustments that
Eagles
they
Tourism,
will do?
Big
Malalaman
Boss
natin yan sa
Garage,
ilang sandali.
Wetsky Accessories,
Most importantly,
Soul
they have to
Savvy,
adjust
House
sa
of
mga points
Iritea V,
na nangyari
SNK,
kanina.
and the
A
Hoop
good start,
Store.
but a bad ending. Yan ang mga kailangan nating i-adjust. So, I think we're ready. We're gonna start. Again, the starting five. Pusong Pinoy, Salazar, Mallorca, Calara, Samson, and Marquez. One Trading is Coho, Bong, Jojo Manalo, Tan, and Patrick Uy. First possession, kanina mapupunta. It's gonna be with Pusong Pinoy, Calara with the top board. Good start para kay Elijah Calara na napakainit kaninang first game. Ito na naman ang two on its way. Wala rebound. Kanina mapupunta. There's a foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Coho's gonna inbound the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Low pickup, kicks it out. Nahulihan ni Mallorca. Mallorca. Sila na talaga magkakalaban rin sa Abu Dhabi for sure. Mallorca saves it up. Shout out Arcel and Evelyn Nagala, mama ko, and Cleton Arquisola. Yan, welcome back brother sa Dubai. Sino mag-uwi ng championship ring? Hindi pa tapos yan. Patrick Uy tries a mid-range jumper. Pero wala yon. Marquez with the board. Binigay niya yan kay Mallorca. Mallorca setting up the play. Calling out the feast. Elijah Calara. Kicks it out. Mallorca again. Kicks it out to his teammate. Fakes. Nice defense. Nice recovery. Pero Antoron. Number 44. Pero may foul doon. Si Tan. Roque will try to add to their lead on the free throw line. First free throw, no good. Medyo short yon sa pagkakataon na yon. Second free throw para kay Roque. Second free throw. Yes. 3-0 to open up the first quarter. Shooters are in lead. Wala pang naiuhulog dito ang one trading. Q3, andyan na rin. Manalo, binigay, binalik. Looking. Binalik kay Patrick Uy. Ang ganda ng depensa. Q3, may hawak na bola. Side step. Humanap ng butas. Kanya pa rin. Buta tayo inabot kay Roque. Tan with offensive rebound. Tan wala pa rin. Di talaga makabutas. Sa ganda ng depensa na pinapakita dito ng Chef E. Puso Pinoy. Roque, coast to coast. Naistilan siya ni Manalo. Manalo, binigay sa kanyang point guard. Isig gumalaw. Manalo by to go 3. Bibigay kay Patrick Uy. Patrick Uy looking. Wanted to take the matters on his own hands. Patrick Uy kicks it out. Manalo. Binigay na naman. Good 3. 5 seconds on the clock. Forces that one up. And they turn it over. Bola babalik para sa one trading with 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Both teams maganda pinapakitang depensa dito. Kaya naman ganyan kababa ang ating scoring for the first quarter. As Elijah Calara finds some daylight. Pero wala yon. Binigay kay Guthrie. Guthrie fakes for 2 and the first point para sa Puso Pinoy. Elijah Calara, ganda ng move for 2. Highlight reel talaga ang mga galaw ni Elijah. Irabe. Mr. Pinoy step. Makikita nyo yan sa kanyang reels kung papanoorin nyo. Elijah Calara. Follow nyo rin sa Facebook yan. Talagang matinding player ng Abu Dhabi. 10 to shoot. Fires away. Good 3. 2 points. Lead down to 1. 4-5 sa ating opening quarter. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Mallorca. Ganda ng kita sa ilalim. Finds his big man. Award him with a deuce. Three on its way. Naka-mismatch pala yun si Sir. Kakakuha lang yan today from the hoop store. Mallorca, ganda naman ng pasa na naman sa ilalim. But there's a foul. Good read para kay Mallorca, awarding his big man. Dahil alam niya na meron silang advantage sa ilalim. Mallorca, very high IQ player. Pero syempre, hindi pa payag si Coach Jello na talaga namang mamayagpag dito si Mallorca. 3 on its way, in and out. Mallorca with the board. Mallorca looking. Can he see his big man again? Mallorca steps back. Manalo with the steal. Manalo finds his teammate. Gojo. Guthrie. Kicks it out to Gojo. Yun na. Turn it over. Ball will go back to Puso Pinoy. Chef E. Nilabas muna si Mallorca. Pasok number 4. Si Semika. Number 4. Balik kay Elijah. Elijah nagpapainit pa. Remember, he opened up this game nang may layup kagad as a 2-0 para maibigay sa kanilang advantage. Now he's taking his 2 shots para dagdagan ng kanyang kalamangan. Makikita natin yan. Elijah Calara from the line, taking his 2 free throws. First free throw on his way. Yes! 8-4, kalahati ang kailangan bunuin dito ng Puso Pinoy. 2 for 2 for Calara. As the court general for One Trading has entered the court. There's a steal. Uy, binali pa. Wala nga lang yon. Tumatakbo ngayon mga kalinaw. The court general. Yes! Instant puntos. Instant impact. Glenn Makalinaw ang kanilang reinforcement. Talagang sinisave yan ni Coach Jello Termines para sa ating second game. Elijah Calara. Hindi pa nagpapahinga dito sa first quarter. Mukhang talagang isusugal na dito ni Coach Jeric Sardenia. Itong si Elijah. Para naman talagang mapanatili ang kanamangan sa kanilang team. One Trading in lead by 3. Meron tayong konting commotion sa ilalim. But everything is under control by the referees. Second personal foul by Patrick Uy. Naka-play, naaagaw yan ni Patrick Uy. Manalo to Patrick Uy. Butata, tumama sa tuhod. Ball will go back to Chef E. Ganda ng depensa doon. Semika handling the letter. Semika bigay kay Calara. Calara battered by the defense by Manalo. 3 on its way. No, too long. Rebound naman na kay team. Tumatakbo. Makalinaw. Manalo balik to ang Makalinaw. Kicks it out. Good 3. Hit there. 3-point shooter. No. Rebound. Mapupunta yan, but there's a foul. Martinez was fouled by Manalo. Timeout. One Trading. Grabe, talaga naman kailangan mo mag-timeout. Back and forth action ang natutunghayan natin sa ating first quarter between Abu Dhabi teams. One Trading and Pusong Pinoy. We will be back in a few. Magbe-break muna tayo saglit. Let's get back to the ball game. 40 minutes of action dito sa laglagan natin. Do or die match between One Trading and Pusong Pinoy. Semika setting up the play. Give it to Calara. Calara fakes. Calara sidestep na naman. Calara, can he get the deuce? Pero may foul doon. He will be awarded by our referees sa gitna to try to get his 2 points from the line. Time remaining on the first quarter, 1 minute and 22 seconds. Elijah Calara has the chance to add some to their lead. Para naman na maganda ang ending ng first quarter. Calara, yes, walang katunog-tunog yon. Of course, it's Elijah Calara, everybody. And we are expecting him to make every single free throw shot dahil mabigat. Each puntos, and he misses that one. It was a jinx on my end, and siguro talagang nagkataon lang. 50 seconds remaining. Good 3. There's a foul. May foul tayo by number 13. Holding foul. Guillermo. First personal foul. 14 foul. Warning for penalty na ang Chef E. Pusong Pinoy. 28 seconds ang nalalabi sa ating first quarter. Hernandez, ibinigay kay Good 3. Hindi pa nilalabas dito. 3 on its way. Bang! Good 3. That 3-point shot is brought to you by House of Iritea. 10 seconds to shoot. Ito na naman. 3 on its way. Bang! Pinawi kagad ng 3. 1 second. Wala nang oras, and that's the end of the first quarter. 9-13 in favor of One Trading. Shoutout muna natin yung mga nanonood dyan sa live. Shoutout to our 29 viewers. Please like, comment, share, subscribe nyo yung channel namin. Share nyo na rin para updated kayo sa mga bago namin lalabas. As you can see, live pa lang hindi ka natalo, guys. Every reaction, every moment, we captured with greatness. Ika nga. Siyempre, Hoop Store always provide the best quality para sa aming mga produkto at aming mga serbisyo, and walang nilabas ang Hoop Store na hindi pang digmaan. And ang masasabi natin, I think we're ready to get back on the game. 9-13, One Trading. In lead pa rin ng 4. Puso Pinoy have to have some answers on the second quarter dahil hindi nila pwedeng hayaang lumayo ang One Trading to seal up this game. Do or die matchup. Abu Dhabi versus Abu Dhabi. We're gonna find out. Makalinaw! 3! Ito na. One Trading. Mainit na mainit na mainit yan. 12-13.
Foul number 12, first person foul, first team foul. One Trading.
Sino ba lamang? One Trading.
Namang ano, di, namang sila Clara.
Baliktad. 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 Ang lamang One Trading. Baliktad rin. Pati yung gogot yan. Puso Pinoy pala ang lamang. Pusong Pinoy. Stand corrected. Pusong Pinoy. I'm sorry for technical errors. Number 28, he was in trouble. Two free throws will be given away para to cut down the lead. Hernandez. Two free throws. First free throw is good. Yan, tama na. One Trading down by 2. Tama. Puso Pinoy up by 2. Yes. Second free throw, 2 for 2. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng One Trading. Eight minutes and 15. Kicks it out, 3 again, same spot. Different result. Pero may tapikan. Foul ang maitatawag natin. Number 7.
First personal foul, second team foul.
First personal foul, second team foul. Andrito na. Si Mika. Nalabas yan ni De Jesus. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 14-15. Mallorca papasok na sa second quarter. Kailangan na yan ni Coach Jeric Sardenia and Kyle Salazar. Salazar, siya muna magmamando ngayon.
5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds on the shot clock. There's a steal. May Makalinaw. Shot clock violation ng naitawag. Bola pupunta. Nice defensive play. Credits to the active hands of Glenn. Grabe talaga si Court General. Gumaganda ang ikot ng bola pag siya nasa loob ng court. Yan ang effect ng isang tunay na point guard. As we go back to the game. Jesus! Slip to his hands. Out to the court. Bola babalik. Isa Puso Pinoy. Mallorca. Number is called pero yan. Na-steal. Ganda ng pasa! Oh my God! Cannot believe even that pass. Eyes on his back of his head. Grabe naman, Glenn Makalinaw. Sobrang linaw naman. Kahit sa batok may mata. That's a wonderful play. Might be the greatest play on the game. Ito na naman. Tumatakbo na naman. May natapik lang yon. Na-anticipate ni Mallorca yung pasa na yon. Nice defensive stop by Mallorca, preventing One Trading to have an easy 2-point. Yan na, tatlo na ang kalamangan ng One Trading. Pero tumatakbo ang Puso Pinoy. Salazar. He was fouled by De Jesus.
Foul on number 34.
Foul by number 34 doon. Foul by De Jesus. Salazar libre sa 3. Pupukol talaga yan. 3! Salazar! And the 3-point shot is brought to you by SMK. Sa lahat ng mga gusto ng burger, talaga lamang SMK lang ang first choice mo sa pagkain mo. And let's get back to the ball game. One Trading with the ball. Pero nahuli yan. Salazar again. Back to back. Bang, bang, bang! Salazar hitting up on the second quarter. Gives his team a 3-point lead on his back-to-back dagger. Sa gitna ng ating second quarter. 3 on its way. De Jesus, babawi. Wala. Rebound naman yan. De La Cruz. Salazar. Hindi na kayang kunin yun. Bad pass by De La Cruz. Back-to-back threes. Binanatan Kyle Salazar. Hindi nyo pwedeng basta-bastahin ang kamay ni Mr. Kyle. Time remaining is 4:57. De Jesus is trying to do something for his team. But we have a substitution. Second quarter of action. Papasok na ang best player ng Chef E. Pusong Pinoy. Walang iba, Elijah Calara. Announcing his presence in the court. Titingnan natin kung ano magiging effect niya dito. Muli bang talagang makakalayo dito ang Chef E. Pero di hinahayaan niya ni Makalinaw. But there's a bad pass, miscommunication para dito sa opensa ng One Trading. 4 minutes and 10 seconds na lalabi sa ating pangalawang patimpalak. Mallorca setting up. Traveling ang tinawag ni Ref Don. Hindi makakalampas sa mata ng mga referee natin. Ang ganyang mga galawan. Guthrie is trying to set it up for his team. They're down by 3. Saan sila pupunta? Guthrie for 3. Gitnang-gitna yan! 3! Grabe naman, Mr. Quality Minutes kapag nasa loob. Talagang di mo rin talaga pwedeng pabayaan sa labas ng arc. Elijah will try his own 3. Wala. Rebound. Merong hawak doon. Number 29. 29 Hernandez. Unang foul yan ni Hernandez. At 14 foul yan ng One Trading. We are tied at 22 apiece. Salazar, meron pa ba siyang magic dyan? Elijah, ganda ng pasa sa ilalim. Kaso lang wala yun. But the putback is there. The effort is there. That's why he awarded his team for 2 points. Si Narciso not giving up on the play. Guthrie again. Back-to-back 3. Wala. Rebound. Elijah. Running the floor. Calara. Looking. Ops. Nakita na ref yung lifting violation doon na itaas yung kamay. Itong ni Elijah. But good defense para dito sa One Trading that time. Ganda naman ng transition defense nila doon. Of course, ito na, man-to-man defense. May pasa tayo sa ilalim but there's a foul.
Substitution. Number 43.
We have a substitution.
Number 43 versus the foul 17 foul Chef E. Warning for delaying the game, number 2.
Warning for delaying the game ang na-announce. Ang naitawag na ref. Daan para sa Chef E. Guthrie, ganda ng depensa ni Kyle.
10 seconds to shoot.
Uy, grabe. Napulot pa yon. Constantino with the finish.
1 minute and 40 seconds.
We are tied at 23 apiece. 1 minute and 30 seconds on the second quarter. Makalinaw. Sino siya pupunta? Sorry. Elijah. Nakita number 11 sa gitna. Ganda ng pasa. Wala nga lang yon. Cannot convert on that shot. Number 12 may tangan. Makalinaw. Binigayan. Sayang kampe. Good trip pa rin may tangan. 23 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Ganda. High-low play. Wala nga lang. Kanila pa rin. Tinutok na yon ni Manse. Number 7. 25-23. 57 seconds. Mallorca with the ball. Setting up on the right side of the basketball court. Where will he go? Didn't just the pick. Set it up himself. Wala nga lang yon. Kumalog. Makalinaw with the leather. Tukatakutan. 3 on its way. No. Rebound by Kyle. Salazar on the run. Salazar. Sinalaksak. Kicks it out. Taking his time. Salazar pa rin. But there's a foul. Penalty situation natin dyan. Last 24 seconds. Salazar will be awarded 2 free throws from the line para bawiin ang kalamangan o ipantay ang puntos ng one trading. First free throw, in and out. Medyo meron ng fatigue na factor ito. Pero nonetheless, Kyle Salazar makes his second free throw. 24 seconds na lang. 24-25. 1 point lead for one trading. Wala na tayong shot clock. 20 seconds remaining. There's a steal by Mallorca. Mallorca to take the lead. Mallorca finishes. 12 seconds left. Bumalik na ang kalamangan dito sa Puso Pinoy. Good trip with the ball. 3 seconds. 3 on its way. No. And that's it. The end of the first half. One trading. Down by 1. Pusong Pinoy up 26-25. And we'll be right back in a few. Just stay tuned in. Share, like, comment, and subscribe nyo na yung page namin for more videos.
It's the wrap. Hindi naman dumating si ano? Sulsabi. Ako si Boss Dance.
And we are back live. Action here in Star International Academy, Altawar 4. So this is a do-or-die game. Third quarter between one trading and Puso Pinoy. Which team will advance and which team will go home? Makalinaw. 9-12. Si Uy at si Makalinaw. The combination. Reinforcement. Itong one trading. 25-26. Kailangan na. Sino kaya magbubukas ng scoreboard dito? Mallorca is setting up the play. Traveling violation. Good defense by Evangelista and De Jesus to bother the offense of Mallorca para hindi makapag-set up ng play. Ang taas ng depensa na yon. As Glenn Makalinaw Setting up for his teammates. Ito si De Jesus. Back to Macalinaw. Macalinaw with the dagger 3 kanina. With the clutch 3. Evangelista nakita. 3 on its way. Pass! Katakutan 3! And that 3-point shot is brought to you by Soul Savvy and the House of Aritea V. Roque with a putback. All 28 tayo. Macalinaw with the leather. Binigyan ng screen ni Uy sa taas. Katakutan, looking, traveling. Talagang hinihintay ni ref ang unang step na yon. Tinuturuan tayo ni ref na kapag libre na, itira na. Yan ang sinasabi ni ref sa atin. Shoutout muna tayo sa mga nandiyan dyan. Baliktad yung score. Yes po, okay na siguro ngayon. Baliktad po yung score, pa-check po. Yes, okay na po. No problem na po dyan.
Ball number 11. First personal foul, first team foul, 1 training.
Your first free throw. It's good. Ayun na. Shoutout sa aking tropa na si Emiliano Cosio na nandito kanina to help us for our graphics dito sa ating live. Salute to you, brother. Kahit busy day, you went with us on our special day dito sa One Day League na Hope Store, digmaan sa gitnang silangan. I know, it's not enough to say thank you, pero much appreciated yung effort. So sa mga viewers natin dyan, stay tuned lang at marami pa tayong digmaang makakaharap at makikita. And as we go back, Constantino is looking to score. Pero si Macalinaw ang nandoon. Airball that one, 28-30. So talagang it's gonna take time para sa atin to know para kung sino mahaba-haba pa tong laro na to. Elijah Calara, ganda, bothered by the defense of Macalinaw. Ganda ng defense doon. Calara kicks it out to Mallorca. Quick 3, bang! Mallorca 3! And the 3-point shot is brought to you by Basketball Gears. Ito, gustong bumawi ni Katakutan. Katakutan on his way on the other 3. Wala naman. Rebound yan. Uy! There's a steal. Katakutan to Macalinaw. Back to Uy. Uy, back to Macalinaw. Bigay sa gitna. Ganda. Evangelista for 2. Easy 2 points. Dahil yan sa ang napakagandang ball movement nitong Pusong Pinoy. Mallorca again, looking for the back-to-back dagger. Wala. Rebound by Katakutan. Binigay kay Macalinaw. Macalinaw. Uy! Nakita yan ni Mallorca. Evangelista. Macalinaw, set it up. Nilabas niya muna yon. Veterans play. Pero si Katakutan nandiyan dyan. Meron yan. Bang! Katakutan 3! And the 3-point shot is brought to you by Flashback Clothing. For quality but cheap clothes, affordable clothes, Flashback Clothing tayo dyan. Roque, mali ng tinamaan. Sa paa, diretso yun. Macalinaw to De Jesus. Eto na yan, capitalize na yan. Uy, sayang. We all know that signature alley-oop. Macalinaw. 3 on its way. Mallorca, medyo malakas. Walang mapupunta. Tapikan, lalabas yan. Ball will remain to Chef E. We are tied at 33 pa rin. 4 minutes and 39 seconds. But there's a foul. Merong foul na nakita si Ref Danny doon. Foul by Roque. Tatlo na si Roque. Pero first team foul pa lamang yan. For the team, Chef E. Puso Pinoy. Alamento, nandito na. Pumasok na sa game na ito si Alamento. Evangelista. Bigay sa gitna. Patrick Uy, looking. Uy, sinubo pa. Wala naman yon. Elijah Calara looking. Ito na, tumatakbo. Elijah. But it's a pass ball, sabi ni ref. So there will be no free throws. Shoutout sa 37 viewers namin dyan. Sa lahat ng mga nandiyan dyan, please. Ayun, shoutout ko lang muna yung mama ko. Yes, shoutout na muna sa mama ko sa Pinas. Wala ang boses niyan bukas. Wala talaga, te. Naririnig ko si Magu, tsaka si Friends Berano. Remember me. Yan, shoutout sa mga nanonood sa live. 35 viewers natin dyan. It's not much, pero malaking bagay yan. Go 3 with the letter. Bigay kay Katakutan. Katakutan, Evangelista for 3, wala. Rebound by number 4. Napakabilis ng paa. Oh my God! Kicks it out. Elijah with the signature Euro. Pasok si Jojo Manalo. Labas muna, makalinaw ang Evangelista. Alamento, nagdadala ng bola. He's in the middle. Sabi ni Ryan Malupig, panalo dyan Abu Dhabi, idol. Parehas sa Abu Dhabi yan eh. Ano mang manalo dyan, Abu Dhabi will advance to the semifinal. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Elijah Calara bringing up the leather. Medyo mainit si Elijah kanina, pero lumamig ngayon. Wala, rebound by Katakutan. Alamento. Binigay sa gitna. Tapikan, eto na. Kicks it out to Jojo. Manalo, bigay kay Guthrie. Kicks it out, 3 on its way. Bang! You bet! Libre sa 3. Alamento. Capitalize. Siyempre, minsan ka lang manilibre ng gayon. Might as well take the moment. Sa'yo na yun. But there's a foul by Alamento to stop the run ni itong si Semika. 36-33. 3-point lead. Kailangan bunuin ng Puso Pinoy. Dahil 3 ang kalamangan ng 1 trading. Shoutout sa 42 viewers natin. I hope you're enjoying the live.
10 seconds to shoot.
Calara with the ball. Top of the key. Nakita niya. Medyo malakas yun. Guillermo kapapasok lang. Si Guillermo kapapasok lang here in the third quarter. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds. Isang minuto na lang ang kailangan natin muna para matapos ang third quarter. This is a do or die matchup between 1 Trading and Puso Pinoy. Loser will be eliminated. Winner will advance to the semifinal round. All right, I think we've come to a decision. Meron tayong review na magaganap. May review na magaganap with our head coach, Ref Danny. Meron tayong review.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, ND Hope Store.
Pagtira, yung pagka-rebound. Hindi, ito, yan, rebound yan. Dapat dito ka dito.
Yan, meron tayong konting komosyon. We are having a replay now kung anong dapat itawag at ihatol.
Double. Wala magagaling sa inyo, double.
Double fall muna, mas maganda. Mas maganda, double fall.
Double fall mo, pares nakahawak.
So that's it. Our referees came to the decision na i-double foul ang itawag dito sa Puso Pinoy and One Trading dahil nga naman dalawa naman silang naghawakan doon sa situation na yon. So it's a double foul. Siyempre, grabe naman yung live natin. Meron tayong replay na HD. Talagang kitang-kita. Hindi na kailangan tumagal ng referee para tayong nasa NBA. Siyempre, ganyan ang quality na hatid natin. Siyempre, para na rin sa tulong sa ating mga referees to make a decision quickly at para hindi mapatagal ang ating ball game. We don't want to hold anyone dahil time is valuable. Ika nga.
Boss. Action.
And yun, along with me, let me call on habang nagkakaroon pa ng decision making ang ating mga referee and head of our committee, Commissioner Dansky, let me call on another commissioner for Hope Store One Day League. Nandito sa aking tabi is Bossing Jeff Ginko. So far, boss, this One Day League is really exciting. So, paano niyo ba ito pinaghandaan? To have a live like this, to have a competitive spirit like this in all the teams?
Firstly, nagpapasalamat kami dun sa mga team. Talagang competitive sila lahat. So, to be able to help this event, it would not be possible kung hindi dun sa pledge ng mga team din. So, talagang pinagandaan din nila yung event. So, as you can see, all the games were really competitive. And nagpapasalamat din kami dun sa sa sponsors, especially Samic Events for bringing this kind of experience
and
along with the partners. Yes.
Behind the scene production, yes.
Yes, bro.
Sobrang solid and quality live ang
So,
natunguhan
alam
ng
na
ating
nila,
mga viewers,
siguro,
yes.
we're gonna be bringing more of this. So, sana more or in the future. So, more collaboration with Samic Events. We'll try to bring more of this kind of events. And sana bigyan pa nila tayo ng maraming pagkakataon. Siyempre, of course, with the support of all the basketball community, Filipino community. So, yun naman ang gusto natin dito. So, to bond Filipino community, competitive spirit, of course, basketball, talagang nandiyan na sa puso natin yan. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you sa support ulit.
Yun, you heard it, guys. yung mga plans from the man himself, Jeff Ginko. So hindi lang matatapos dito. Siyempre, meron pa tayong mga thank you, Boss Jeff, and hope to interview again. So let's go back. 24 seconds on the third quarter. The deciding match between these two Abu Dhabi teams, 36-34. Lamang pa rin ang one trading ng dalawa. 13 seconds. Timing for the ball. Hindi na naiabot nun.
Substitution.
11 seconds remaining. Puso Pinoy, kailangan makahulog dito. Ganda ng pasa, Salazar. Wala pa rin yun. There's a steal. Kanina mapupunta? 2 seconds. 1. And that's the end of the third quarter. 1 trading. Dalawa ka lamang ang nababaon nila. Pauwi ng fourth. And we will be right back in a few, guys.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Years, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
Ano magagawin dyan?
So these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Act, never gotta roll with ice. No rush, go on you dumb, pushing so on you dumb. Peace and love turn to peace and gloves, now you gotta do a run up. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the bits. Boy wanna throw to them bitch, nah, unless you heard it from me.
And we're back live and action as Antiporta gives Pusong Pinoy a breather. Isa na lang ang binubuo ng Pusong Pinoy dito. Glenn Macalino, Angela niya rin. Manse, binigayan. Good 3. 3 on its way. Bang! Good 3! 3! And that 3-point shot is brought to you by SMK. 38-35. Tatlo kalamangan. Liameg. Binigay niya yun. Kay Martinez. Martinez looking. Antropolo. Wala yun. Hindi na convert at that time. 38-35. 3-point lead para sa one trading. Basa muna tayo dyan. Shoutout sa 34 viewers natin. Steve Gerald Cortez. Shoutout lahat ng mahawak ng Hoop Store. Shoutout sa iyo para alam ko lahat ng sikreto nyo. Shoutout sa iyo, parang Steve. Enjoy the live action. Uy, ganda naman yon! What a move! By Guthrie! Oh my God! Gutay pala yung Gutay. Ang gulo kasi ng font eh. But there's a foul. Foul by number 22, Marquez. Ayun. Hello daw, sabi ni ate ko at ng mama ko. Yes, hello. Shout out, Evelyn Agala, my mom, and Jassy Lou Agala. Alright, let's get back to the ball game. Nance for 2. Wala. Wala kay Manse yun. So, 40-35, 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Sidestep. What a move! Ganda naman ang move na yun ni Mallorca. 40-37. Balik sa tatlo na lang ang kalamangan kailangan bunuin ng Pusong Pinoy. Gutay. Oops. Macalinaw. Finding his man. 3 on its way. Bang! Gutai, 3! And that 3-point shot is brought to you by House of Iritea V and Soul Savvy. Last touch yan. Meron tayong last touch. Kanino natin ibibigay ang ball ang possession. Ball will go to One Trading. Substitution muna tayo. 43-37. 6 ang kalamangan ng One Trading and they will try to add up to this lead sa ating possession na ito. Fourth quarter, 7 minutes and 6 seconds. At ang ganda ng full court defense na pinapakita dito ng Pusong Pinoy. At makalinaw, safely! Pero hindi siya safe doon. He thought he was safe. At andyan na naman, Antupolo. Tuliamek. Ganda ng pasa. Marquez kicks it out. Mallorca finding his way, but he was fouled by Hernandez. Substitution tayo, ref. May substitution. Pasok na si Elijah Calara. Kailangan na down ni Coach Derek C. Calara sa ball game na to. 6 minutes and 27 seconds. Mallorca looking. Mallorca, he needs to answer. He was denied. Kicks it out. Elijah, fresh from the bench. Offensive foul, illegal screen na itawag dun para kay Marquez. Mali ang positioning ni Marquez, kaya naman napituan siya ni Ref Dandon. 5 minutes and 55 remaining, 43-37. 6 ang inihalaga ang puntos ng One Trading. Gutay to his big man Hernandez. Kanino niya ibibigay? Back to Gutay, the main player. But there's a foul. Foul committed by Mallorca. Active hands, pero mali ang natamaan niya that time. Alright, time out muna tayo. One Trading will try to ice up this game. We will be back in a few minutes. Stay right tuned.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iritea V, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
Ako muna si Mago Marjon.
And we're back. 43-37 pa rin ang talaan. 5 minutes and 28. One Trading. Ito na, gustong isilyado na ni Coach Jello ang kanilang spot for the semifinals with this play. Will it be effective? Elijah Calara anticipated that. Pero meron pang nangyari doon. And the ball will go to Puso Pinoy. Ayaw hayaan ni Elijah ang malagdagan pa ang kalamangan. Mallorca for 3. No, rebound by Gutay. Gutay, binigay kay Makalinaw. Makalinaw, binigay kay Katakutan. Katakutan fakes. Katakutan, slice it up! Ang ganda naman nun, Katakutan. Isinubo na lang sa ring yun. The largest lead of the game, 8 points by One Trading. Mukhang talagang bumibitaw na ba ang Chef E. Kyle Salazar? Hindi pumapayag yung bata na to. Mamang-mama, Kyle Salazar on his third triple of the game. Coming in whenever his team needs him. Kyle Salazar answering as De Jesus. Grabe naman yung hand time na yun. Left layup by De Jesus. Lamang na naman ng 7. Answered back from the 3 points of Salazar. Mallorca looking. Binigay kay Elijah. Elijah looking again. Elijah. We all know what he will do. But he was fouled by Hernandez. Dalawang free throw igagawan sa kanya ni ref para subukang ibaba ang kalamangan sa 5. Elijah Calara on his first free throw. First free throw is good. Second free throw, Elijah in and out and in again. A badly needed basket for the Chef E. Puso Pinoy, 47-42. 5 na lang ang kanilang inahabol, but De Jesus calmly brings up the ball down to the other court. Pero andyan si Gutay. Si Gutay ang matibay ngayon sa laban na ito. The focal point of the one trading team. Gutay, ganda ng pasa! Oh my God! Pero hindi yun nahulog, na yun na-convert. Uy, ganda naman! Coast to coast, naisirap! Basket is good! May kiksama pang foul! Grabe naman Yameg with the coast to coast crossover lay. At he has a chance to put up his team down to 2. Dito sa linya na ito. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. This will be big to cut the lead to 2. Wala yon, but there's a foul. Merong foul doon na naitawag si ref. Holding foul number 13. Guillermo. Substitution. Pasok na muna si Patrick Uy. Ang reinforcement to seal up the game. Ito na mga kalina, will inbound the basketball. Last 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng Zamic Events. Makalinaw, yes, he was fouled away from the ball by Kyle Salazar. The IQ of the veteran, ika nga. Diba? Penalty na. So he will be awarded 2 free throws. A bad foul by Salazar. But might be a good decision though kung mabibintis ni Makalinaw to. First free throw Makalinaw, no. Sabi ni Makalinaw, you will pay the price sa pag-foul sa akin without the basketball. Stop time, tapos dadagdagan mo pa. Another free throw for Makalinaw. 2 for 2 from the line. Walang ka-problema. Makalinaw converts it. Made it a 2-possession game. Kyle Salazar naisipang bumawi ngayon. Salazar, burst of speed, pinamba pa. Kanino mapupunta ang bola? Same possession tayo. Kitang-kita ni ref yan sa kanyang mga mata.
Naka-last stats, ma'am. Sir.
So meron tayong review on air. Habang nagre-review muna tayo, shoutout muna tayo sa mga ano natin dyan, sa mga viewers natin dyan. So yun yung review natin. 41 viewers natin. Awi Kuachuan Pre, sabi niya, maganda na inom na pundador ni Kuya Gutay kagabi. Kumundisyon. Shoutout kay Gia Bana, shoutout to Hope Store Basketball and Flashback Loting. Sheesh, gawa pa na commentary. Of course, Inan. Isa ka lang sa na-appreciate niyan, idol. Let's go. 43 viewers, shoutout sa inyo from Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, sa lahat ng Emirates and UAE, from the Philippines. Maraming salamat sa pakikisama sa amin sa live namin. Ball, mapupunta tayo on the other side of the court. One trading, 49-44. 5-point lead. Pero 1 minute and 40 seconds na lang dito. Enough time ba to para maka-comeback? Sa ano pala? Okay. Stand to be corrected. ball will remain to the Chef E. Napaka importanting possession of this game. Malalaman natin yan. Mako-convert na 1 minute and 40 seconds. 5-point lead. They need to cut the lead to 3 to make it a 1 possession game. Ang ganda ng pasa! Yamag for 2!
Buhay pa.
Nabuhay pa ang pag-asa ni Coach Jeric Sardenya. Uy, binababa ang bola. 1 possession game. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Kaya-kayang i-take ni Uy to 1-on-1. Uy, 1-on-1. Walang tumutulong pero natula si Uy. Tumatakbo na naman Elijah Calara. There's a steal but a foul by Makalinaw. Elijah is down and his shoulder is hurting. He is hurt on that play. But ang tanong, are they in the penalty? Hindi pa yata. Second team foul pa lamang yata yan ng one trading. We will know yan. 14 foul. So hindi pa penalty ang the one trading. Nonetheless, that's a big play para kay Elijah Calara. They still have the chance to tie this up to 49 or slice the lead to 1 in this possession. Shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout Arvin Dayanila. Pa-shout out kay Kuya Awi po. Yon, Kuya Awi. Inom na daw kayo ng pundador, sabi ni Arvin Dayanila. Shoutout Run Sports Gears and Apparel. Shoutout boss, grabe ka. Di mo alam, lagi ka naming pinapanood. I like how you kung paano ka bossing, mag-grind sa inspirasyon namin, bossing. Promise. Ryan Maluping, di na tayo makapag-ML. Elijah Calara, injury ka. Hindi, pwede pa siya. Nandiyan pa siya sa court. As you can see, let's go back to the quarter. Tingnan natin kung may effect ba yung kay Elijah Calara. Elijah, na hindi naman na injury. Elijah Calara answering the call, putting his team down by 1 with just 1 minute and 12 seconds remaining. Lamang pa rin naman ang one trading dito. Pero ang momentum nasa Chef E. Pusong Pinoy, puso talaga pinapagana. Makalinaw. 3 on its way, hindi. Uy, nakita sa ilalim, there's a steal. Tumatakbo ngayon. Chef E, there's a steal by Gutay. Elijah Calara falling to the floor, flies on the floor. But there's a foul. There's a foul. Grabe yung palitan ng both teams. Ayaw magpatalo. A good steal. Pero na-steal back yan ng kabila. That's why Gutay now will try to add a lead on their own. Dalawa ang bibigyan. Dalawa ang susubukang free throw nito ni Gutay para maging 3-point lead ang kanilang kalamangan. Gutay, first free throw. Yes, sir. 2-point lead, 50 seconds remaining. 50 seconds. Gutay again will try to add it on their lead. Ito na si Gutay. Another one. Tatlong kalamangan and we have a timeout. Galing sa Pusong Pinoy, they need to set it up. Ano ang gagawin nila? We'll find out in a bit.
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigor, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iriteavi, SMK, and the Hoop Store.
Yes, and we're back. 51-48, 50 seconds. Enough time pa rin yan. Marami pang possession yan. 4 na possession pa yan. Pabalik-balik in both teams. Tignan natin what Coach Jeric Cerdeña drew on that basketball board. Sino ang kanyang go-to guy dito? Sino pupuntahan niya? Yameg, binalik. Ito na, mukhang si Elijah nga. Elijah, for 2, wala. Rebound, Yameg. Nakuha na bola. One trading. Gutay with the ball. Time is on their side. No need to rush here. But Salazar again. With a foul. Hindi pa kailangan sana mag-foul at that time. Pero titingnan natin. Katakutan ng foul. And we all know this kid has range. Katakutan will try to make it a 2-possession game. Mabigat to. First free throw is good. Walang kakaba-kaba. Grabe naman ang isang Katakutan. Made threes on this game. And now trying to seal the deal from his free throw. 2 for 2 from the line. Grabe, there's a timeout. Timeout. Sheffy, Pusong Pinoy. They need to have a plan here. Grabe naman ang labanan. Puso sa puso. Kaluluwa sa kaluluwa ang pinaglalabanan dito. Both Abu Dhabi, who will go home and who will survive? Malalaman natin yan. We have 38 seconds left. Dito lang yan sa Hoop Store. League Digmaan sa gitnang silangan.
Okay, back to the building. 38 seconds.
Organize anything, just let us know.
Alright. We are back in the game. Shoutout muna bago tayo matapos. John Ray Katakutan. Happy watching Earl Jones Mungkal. John Ray Katakutan. May shawarma sa akin mamaya pag uwi. May shawarma daw mamaya pag uwi. Pwede bang adobo? Alright, 38 seconds guys. Game is tied. 3 on its way. That's gonna be big. Makalina with the board. Sealing the game. Ito na, Gutay. Saan siya pupunta? 29 seconds. Gutay, he was fouled. Double dribble violation. Pero 5 ang kalamangan nila. 2-possession game. Kailangan ng miracle dito. Elijah Calara. People is asking for you. Nasaan ka na? Salazar, he made a big 3. Mallorca, we know he can do magic. 3 on its way. Wala. Rebound kanino? Mapupunta sa possession. Ito na naman. Calara on 3. Short. Bodies on the floor. Ball will go to one trading. Foul by number 23. Salazar. Mukhang ito na nga yata ang icing sa cake ni Kim Chu. 2 free throws for De Jesus. If he made it, this game might be over. First free throw for De Jesus. Meron pa ring daylight para sa Puso Pinoy. But time is not on their side right now. They have to be quick and make things happen within 12 seconds. Maraming nangyayaring ganyan. Wala. Eto na, nakuha nila. 0 out of 2, tumatakbo. Kyle Salazar. Elijah kicks it out. Kyle for 3. Bye! Kyle Salazar! One of the biggest threes of his career in basketball. Grabe naman. Babasa 4 seconds. Coach Jello will have to push the button for his timeout. And we will be back in a few.
Kaya pala nalilito ako dun sa... Hindi ko lang alam, mabot pala yung...
One trading ito. Kaya nasabi.
Back to the whole game. 4 seconds.
Alright, back to the ball game. Coach Jello needs to just inbound the ball to his trusted guy. Isa lang kung natatandaan nyo, on the first game, nagkaroon ng 5 seconds violation on the inbound itong si Coach Jello. So, titingnan natin, can they adjust on that one? Kailangan nilang ma-inbound ng bola na ito to seal the deal within the Chef E. Pusong Pinoy. This game is far from over. 4 seconds as Makalinaw will inbound the game. The ball, Makalinaw to his trusted guy, Gutay. But he was fouled. 3 seconds remaining on the clock. Coach Jello trusted this man, this guy the most, Gutay, with an excellent ball game. Grabe yung mga binitawan na tres nito. And up until now, he will try to seal up the deal. Yes, sir. Walang kakaba-kaba. Gutay to book the ticket to the semis. Gutay on this last free throw. Yes! And I think that's it. Gutay seals the deal, booking his team ticket to the semifinals. Pero di pa rin pumapayag ang Chef E. Pusong Pinoy. Let's see. Mallorca. 2 seconds to work with. Mallorca. High arcing shot, and that's it. One trading will advance to the semifinals. Laban lang tayo with their best player. Sino bang best player natin? None other than Mr. Gutay. Grabe naman yung palitan in both teams. Walang nakahinga. Sa dulo, 46, 51, 55. 4-point lead lang. One trading surviving the tide. Laban sa Pusong Pinoy. Maraming salamat. The first team to be eliminated in the Hoops or One Day League is Chef E. Pusong Pinoy. And we are really thankful for the support na binigay nyo. And we hope that makita pa tayo on the next season ng aming mga paliga. And that's it. We'll be back in a few minutes with our best player, Gutay.
Sino nga ang susunod natin?
Gutay, tawag niyo si Gutay.
Ay, ano na?
Pwede ka na magana, pwede ka na magana.
Eh, wala pa ako eh.
Ay, bigyan
Kaya ano mo muna,
John, no?
sponsor muna ko tapos kausapin ko si Gutay. O, ito na, laban na to.
Ano, sponsor?
Doon. Ayan. Ito ka doon. Ayan po ka na. Ayan. Ayan. Okay.
Okay.
And here with me, the best player sa ating quarterfinals, Bong Gutay. Dol, you've been through many struggles simula sa first game. And now you adjusted. Grabe yung tiwala din na binigay sa'yo ni Coach Jello. Anong masasabi mo doon?
Bali, ang sa akin lang, nagtithank you kay Boss Jello pati sa mga coaches namin kasi nagbibigay sila ng sa akin, ng tiwala sa akin. Bali, nag-stick lang ako sa sa yung mga play namin, kung sino yung hawak ng bola sa yung mga last possession, so sino yung titira, yun. Kaya siguro yung depensa din, kaya kami nanalo.
Yes. Tapos yung maganda kasi yung ball rotation nyo and tiwala kayo sa isa't isa. So, may nag-comment kanina, masarap daw yung nainom mong pundador kagabi. Tama ba yun? Siguro may idea ka.
Meron. Kasi yung namin ngayon, yung kalaban namin yung sa Sena, birthday niya kahapon. So, shoutout kay Sena yan. Kaya medyo nakainom na konti. Konti lang naman.
So ngayon, mauuna na umuwi yung unang Abu Dhabi. You will stay here to have your semi-final round. We wish you good luck and mag-rest ka na. I will not keep you for too long. Shoutout mo muna yung mga nanonood sa atin from Abu Dhabi and the Philippines.
Yun, shoutout pala sa Abu Dhabi, yung mga nanonood dyan, mga taga-Hamdan, yan. Tapos sa family ko, sa Quezon City, sa Bagong Silangan, yan. Shoutout sa inyo, si Chupugot, yes.
Ayun. And that's your best player of the game. The one trading will advance to the semifinal round thanks to this guy right here, Mr. Clash himself, Bong Gutay. Thank you, Idol. Good luck.
Thank you.
And there you have it, the best player, Mr. Bong Gutay. Grabe naman, tiwala ni Coach Jello na binibigay siya. From the first quarter opening and on the second half, siya pa rin. And tingnan nyo naman, on the last and final possession, kanino binigay, kanino nagtiwala, no other than Bong Gutay. Coach Jello has planned it all and has kept his team on the league para paglabanin at lumaban to be named as the Hoop Store One Day League first champion. On to the next game, we have Batangapo versus
Yung red.
Royal Point, Ilonggo Solido. Magandang laban na to. So tune in. We're gonna make another live again. Bye-bye.
1, 2. Uy, bakit tayo mag-play?
The Hoop Store would like to thank Zamek Events, Basketball Gears, 361 Degrees, Rigora, JMS Tailoring, Boss J, Flashback Clothing, King Eagles Tourism, Big Boss Garage, Wetski Accessories, Soul Savvy, House of Iriteavi, SMK, and the Hoop Store.